Hi, Grade 7. We have listened to your suggestions during our previous week when we were talking about how to improve e-learning, and a lot of you mentioned that it would be great if all of the information was in one place instead of going back and forth, checking on ManageBack and emails and Google Classroom. So we've created one e-learning plan for you where you can find all of the information that you need. That doesn't mean you won't need to visit your Google Classroom or ManageBack, but all of the information from your teachers can be found in one easy location. So I'm going to show you how to use this document and how it can provide the information that you need for the week. First of all, one of the things you can do with this document is at the very top here, near the title where it says Grade 7 E-Learning Plan, there is a little star here. If you click on this star, then that makes this an important document, and you can actually go into your Google Drive and find it very, very easily under starred items. Now, on the first page is some useful information for you. First of all, one of the things it mentions is turn off your Google Classroom notifications. So you can see my other video linked into your email that explains how to turn those off. That will help you reduce the number of emails and help make you feel a little bit more calm about the week. So some keys to success for the week to help you be more successful in your online and e-learning experience. Please remember location is important. Find a comfortable space where you can work. Keep a clean workspace. We don't want things that might distract us. So unless you need your cell phone for a specific class, it might be a good idea to put it away for a while. Make sure to organize your time. You can create your own schedule by looking at the tasks that you need to complete, or you can follow your weekly schedule if you're having trouble keeping on track. Make sure to ask for help if you need it. You can email your teachers, you can ask to Google Meet or set up an online meeting with them, but they're also going to be available during specific office hours for you. Make sure you're reading instructions from your teachers carefully, and last but not least, take breaks and relax. We don't want you sitting on your computer for 8 hours a day. We want you to find time to take a break, to relax, to connect with your friends, to play games, and to do things that are not completely on the computer. Now the good stuff. If you go to the second page, this is where all of your course information can be found. Every day, from 1 o'clock until 2 p.m., all of our teachers are going to be holding office hours. What does that mean? That means that your teachers will be available from 1 to 2 p.m. every day to respond to you right away. And that could be a Google Meet, that could be asking questions on Hangout, on Google Chat. Whichever way you connect with your teacher easiest, they will be available at this time for all of you. Now, what information will this document give you? So if you take a look here, we've got our classes listed on the left, and then we have our weekly task. For each of your classes, your teachers have created a weekly plan and a link to that document, or perhaps directly to Google Classroom to provide more instructions about what you need to do. Beside our weekly task, we have contact information. So teachers have provided you with specific information about how to contact them easily, and if you need to have a Google Meet, or if the class is requesting that you sign up for Google Meet at a specific time, you can always check here in this section and it will provide you with more details. Last but not least, there's also a section for due dates and important times. So if you have a document or some work that's due at a certain time, teachers are going to post in here what times those are due or important information regarding deadlines. So as you can see, you've got information from all of your teachers posted here and a plan that will help you. So for example, depending on the teacher, if you open up their plan, you might see something like this. So this is our plan for this week for science. So for Tuesday, this is the information provided. It gives you some information about what materials you need and a task list. Also, if it's an assignment or you need to submit something, the information you need can be found here. If you're worried about another class, you can always jump back to your document and have a look and see what information your other courses have added. So this will be an incredibly useful tool for you to find information about all of your courses. This is going to be our main document for teachers to communicate with you and share their plans. I hope this makes it easier for you to organize your time and to manage all of your resources. Let's hope we do a fantastic job of communicating with each other these next 2 weeks, and please know that your teachers miss you, and we can't wait to see you again in person. Take care, everyone!